Welcome to David Ona's Tarot. Today we will be doing how the year 2025 is going to be for the air signs Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra. First, we will start with Aquarius. Considering the fact that Aquarius had quite a difficult time going in 2024, let's see what we have in 2025. We have 10 of Cups. So, emotionally, you will be very fulfilled and you'll be having a lot of happiness going forward into this year. Even though I see it might be a little bit of a delay in having the happiness that you're looking forward to, but above all, we can expect that 2025 is going to bring you a lot of fulfillment within yourself. Let's see what the card has to say about the same. We have is blossoming abundance. So, going forward into 2025, what I can see is that the abundance that you have been expecting in this particular year since the last year is going to blossom for you. All the seeds that you have planted and all the plants that you have watered all this time is going to bloom and give you all the fruits that you have been looking forward to. So that's it for Aquarius. Moving forward, we have is Gemini. Let's see how Gemini's year is going to be. Okay, so we have is the Hanged Man. Now, this year is going to be a little bit on the difficult side rather than on the positive side. But what positive changes that I can see onto your reading is that having Hanged Man will give you a lot of new perspective, maybe a lot of new people to communicate with, and a lot of new opportunities as well. Well, with new opportunity comes a need to work a little bit more or to learn a new skill. So you have to keep up your work and keep up all the things that you are planning to do for yourself. Yes, there might be a little of delay and you might have to work in a different way that you are planning to do the work for, but still it is going to be a balancing year for you. Let's see what the guidance has to tell for you. Okay, so what we have is the Deceit. Well, having Deceit in the guidance card, it means that you have to be very careful with the people that you associate with. This year might bring you with a lot of opportunities, but that in some of those opportunities you might find people who are not looking forward for your growth or for your success. So you have to be very careful with dealing with the people and the projects very carefully, so just to make sure that you are not harmed in going forward with your goals that you have set for yourself for 2025. Now, moving forward, we have Libra. Let's see how Libras are going to have this year. Wow. We got Justice card, which also signifies Libra. So I can see synchronicity and a lot of Libra energy as in a balance of all the things that you have been planning for 2025. So with Justice card, there might be a little bit of difficulties, but at the end of the day, all well that ends well. So that is what I can say for Libra right now. But having the Justice card come out for Libra is also meaning that everything that you're looking for will have a very balanced 2025 for you. Let's see for the guidance. Wow, happy family. With happy family, I can tell for Libra that even if there will be ups and downs, it will all balance out at the end of the day and you'll be having the support of your family and your friends and your loved ones while moving forward into 2025 and the upcoming years for you. So that's it for the air signs. If you find the readings helpful or resonating for your situation, please do like, share and subscribe to get more updates from David Ona's Tarot. Bye-bye.